There are more quiet clues here than a can of spaghetti. I know. I paid $300 for this ticket. I hope Muhammed lecture is going to be worth it. I heard he great live. I heard this guy got direct revelation from God himself, the creator of known universe. He definitely got the right stuff. By the way, I loved your paper on theory of relativity. It absolutely turned my world of Newtonian mechanics upside down. I do my best.
Well, quantum mechanics has kicked both your asses.
Hello my dear followers, today I will teach you about science. In the first lesson I will teach you about how the seasons are created. How are the seasons summer and winter created, you may ask? Well, I have all the answers. It is hell that creates summer and winter. One when hell inhales and second when hell exhales. Let me illustrate.
Well, this is ridiculous. If no one will challenge that, then I will. I believe that the tilt of the earth would create the seasons.
Well, I think you are not as smart as you think.
Fuck that. I'm out of this.
Now, I will teach you about how semen is produced. All of you know that semen is produced by the backbone, our spine.
Oh.
For the third lesson, I will say about the animals and how they come in pairs in our world, like a man and a woman. The glorious Allah created all the things in pairs in earth, as well their own kind and everything that we have knowledge.
Huh?
Now, after we learned about how life was created, I will teach you about genetics.
Oh, Darwin died.
Well, after this little break, we're gonna talk about the sun and how he set in a muddy spring.
I am enough of this.
And for the last lesson, I will show you how the stars are like little lamps, and the comets are lamps that are launched like missiles to protect us from the devil.
Hey Muhammad, I really like your lecture. You have really great ideas.